Hello, it's Ian.
What? No! No, Ian!
Yes. So,
I was laying on the floors playing
Yeah.
with the sword.
So anyways, I'm gonna find a good spot to place you where you can see all the action we're gonna be doing. Now we're gonna be throwing socks into my ceiling fan.
And I was laying on the floor. Like a loser.
Nobody cares. No, wait, I gotta see how this looks.
Lol.
Oh,
My lip is bleeding and fell.
that's good.
Fail.
But you can't see the ceiling fan. John, hold it up while I throw things into the ceiling fan.
I wanna play.
Fine. First person to activate. Whoosh. Doop. Woo.
Here you go. Oh god.
First person action time. Whoop.
What are you doing? I'm gonna block it with your own pajamas. Fail. What do you look so retarded, Ian.
No, I don't. I look amazing. Whoosh.
What?
Throw those into the fan.
Really?
Yes, I'm filming the fan. Woo! Oh, that was amazing. Pick up the socks.
That was delicious. Get on your back.
Woo! Oh yeah, I forgot. We were supposed to play music during this.
Forget
Oh,
that.
that's a shame. Your turn, hold it.
No! It stopped your fan completely.
Spilled all of my papers.
Well, it stopped your flan completely. Your flan. Fail.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Cannot. Oh!
Oh, amazing.
Came straight towards me. Okay. That was terrible. I'm not getting anything. I thought you were going to attack me, Ian.
Of course not, John. I would never do such a thing.
It wasn't even on you when you did that. Lol. Hits you with.
Okay, this video is retarded. We're cutting it.
We're gonna fix it and do it again.